maybe I'll start shaving soon.
Hey, you know something?
No, what?
I had a wet dream last night.
Wet dreams? What's that?
Oh, you know. The sperm comes out of your penis.
Sperms and sperm. The sperm for the sperms.
The sperm.
Sperm? All sperm?
Oh, sperm. Sperm. What sperm? Sperm. Sperm.
Sperm.
Sperm. Sperms and sperm. The sperm for the sperms.
Ah! Popularity. What is it made of? How does a person get to be popular with lots of people?
Say, Wally, how's the play coming along?
Oh, okay, Jenny. Here, Jenny.
No,
Thanks, Jerry.
girls who park in cars are not really popular. Not even with the boys they park with. Not when they meet at school or elsewhere.
Nothing like being Miss Popularity.
Hello, Kay. This is Nick Baxter.
Oh, hello, Nick. How are you?
Fine, thanks. Say, Kay, next Friday, would you like to see Wagon Train at the movies?
Oh, I'm sorry, Nick. I suppose you've got your mind made up to see it?
You've seen it? She's already seen it.
Well, ask her about the scavenger sale.
Kay, you wouldn't want to help get the scavenger sale ready at the community center, would you?
Oh, I've been hearing about that. Yes, I'd like to very much.
You would? All right. I'll call for you then. About 7? Bye. Sure didn't think she'd go to a place like that for a date.
You know, you better think some more, fellow, about what to do on a date.
Well, that phone call didn't go on for hours. A pretty sensible attitude toward telephone conversations.
Come on, boys. There's plenty more where this came from.
Sex.
I'm gonna have a sandwich.
Too much sperm.
Or sex.
Dirt under your fingernails.
Syphilis.
Stubby hands.
Sex.
Stupid, I guess.
Sex.
It's better in private.
Sexual sex.
Played the field.
Sexual
Weenie roast.
venereal disease. Pornographic. Smut peddlers.
Lowers and spreads its wings
Hard
as if ready to
core.
attack.
Pornography.